Hey guys, today's video I am making a no-bake cheesecake. Stay tuned. Alrighty, to get started, I am going to remove the filling of the Oreo. I am going to put that in a separate bowl, and the Oreos, I am going to put them in a separate bowl. Next, I am going to use a Ziploc bag to add my Oreos in there so I can crush the Oreos down until it's nice and powdery. Because this is our base, we want it to be nice and fine. You can use a rolling pin to do that. Once it's nice and fine and powdery, this is how it should look like. Now I am going to add some melted butter in there. Now the consistency we're looking for, it's nice, wet. It should feel like mud-ish, but not really too wet. Just add it little by little. The measurement will be down below, so make sure you guys check it in the description box. Once it's nice and wet, just like so, we're going to add it in our whatever you're baking it in. I am using this cake baking thing. Just add it in there. Make sure you use parchment paper so your cheesecake doesn't stick. Just add that in there. Make sure you press it down really good. You can use the bottom of a cup or whatever fit in there to make sure you press it down really good until it's nice and firm. Okay, press it down good, so once you start taking your cheesecake out, so it doesn't fall apart on you. Now this is how it looks. I added a little bit more because it was too thin. Once you're done adding it and pressing it down really nice and firm, everything is lined up flat, I am going to add it in the freezer for about an hour to an hour and a half. Okay, add it in the freezer. Now I am going to make the cheesecake. I am using about 24 ounces of cream cheese. You can use the Philadelphia brand for your cream cheese. It makes really good cream cheese, but I'm using a different brand. I forgot the name of it. If you guys saw my last vlog, you should already know this brand, but I forgot the name. Now this is the filling of the Oreos. I am going to add it in there. Yes, it's gonna give it a really nice flavor. I am adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and also I'm adding 1 can of condensed milk. And make sure your cream cheese is nice and room temperature. They are not too cold. Okay, now I am going to use my mixer, my hand mixer, to mix it. Once you're done, you should be able to form little peak like this, like I'm showing you guys right now. That means it is done. Okay, now my Oreo base is nice and frozen. I am going to add my filling in there, my cheesecake. Once you add your cheesecake in there, make sure you're lining up the cheesecake really nice and smooth until you have a nice flat surface, just like I'm doing right now. This is a really quick dessert. If you're not doing anything, you're gonna need some Oreo Reese's cheesecake later on. Just start making it early. It doesn't take a long time to do. So this is how it looks, nice and flat and even. That's as even as I can get it. Now I am going to add some Oreo powder on top of it. That's the best I can do, you guys. I am not good at decorating cake. I'm trying. This is the best I can do. I added some Reese's on top of it, the powdered, and a little bit of Oreo pieces, and basically this is how it looks. It turned out really, really good. It tastes really, really good, but that's the best decoration I can do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was nice and quick, and it tastes really, really good. So let me know down below if you guys want to try this, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.